Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a collagen face mask. First, always begin with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures the mask's beneficial ingredients can penetrate effectively. After cleansing, gently pat your face dry. A dry surface allows the mask to adhere properly, maximizing contact. Finally, carefully unfold the mask, being mindful not to tear the delicate material. Once your face is clean and dry, it's time to apply the mask. Carefully align the mask with your facial contours, ensuring the eye, nose, and mouth openings are correctly positioned. Gently press the mask onto your skin, smoothing out any air bubbles for full contact. This helps the serum absorb evenly. Leave the mask on for the recommended duration, typically 15 to 20 minutes, allowing your skin to soak in all the nourishing ingredients. After the recommended time, it's time to remove your collagen mask. Gently peel it off, starting from the edges. Do not rinse your face immediately after removal. Instead, let the remaining serum work its magic. Lightly pat the excess serum into your skin using your fingertips. This helps your skin fully absorb the beneficial ingredients, leaving it feeling hydrated and refreshed. Follow with your usual moisturizer to lock in the goodness. For optimal results, incorporate collagen face masks into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times per week. Consistent use can significantly improve your skin's elasticity and firmness over time. These masks are designed to deeply hydrate and plump your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and promoting a more youthful glow. Enjoy the feeling of refreshed, revitalized skin with regular application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.